What's up, YouTube? We have another video on this Nissan Xterra. So it looks like the customer got out of the house, put it in drive. He drove off the road and he was gonna close the gate. And then and then out of nowhere he was about to put it in reverse, and it wouldn't do anything. Right now it doesn't start. And I'm surprised they were able to turn it off and put it in park. But right now if you try to start it, it won't start because you actually in drive right now. Because he was in drive. So he had it in drive. He was able to move to the side of the road and just park in the street. And so what I'm guessing the cable came off the transmission shifter, because right now it's completely loose. This right there is dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I have the emergency brake on, and I'm gonna go underneath the car and check what's going on underneath. Let me lower the windows because it's gonna lock. Okay. So right now this is basically like a side job. So right here, the shifter, I just pushed it towards the back of the transmission, and that's where you put it in park. I couldn't take it on video, so it's in park. So it looks like down here everything looks solid. It's probably the problem gonna be down up there, the shifter. So we're gonna have to remove the center console and check what's underneath. Okay, so now with that, we were able to put it from dry to park. I mean, it was able, but now we were able to start it because the transmission down there is actually in park. So that means the problem is something down here in the shifter is not. Something broke underneath here. We're gonna check that out. Okay, so this is gonna be an easy fix. We already put it in park down there, and to be able to get down here, you don't need that many tools. I'm using a kind of flat, really thin screwdriver to pop the corners on this cup holder. Each corner you can use this little screwdriver and pop it. So I already popped mine. Let me take this out. From here, we're gonna pop this open now. From the back, you just kind of have to pull towards the outside. So check it out, guys. In order for me to get home and so I don't have to pay tow truck, I'm gonna be sliding two zip ties through the back of the bracket where you're gonna hook the nipple. Okay, After that, since I removed it, I took up the clip from here and I pushed the cable back. I was able to get some room. Now I'm gonna put the cable back together. I have to do this with two hands. Okay, so now I already secured the clip. I put it back, and down here the shifter is back where it belongs. So now I'm just gonna have to get the two tips of the zip tie to tie it up down here. I'm gonna do this off camera because I don't have nobody to hold it for me. Okay, so here are they. Alright, so here we have it. I'm pretty sure it looks like it's gonna work, because the bracket is gonna be moving with the zip ties. So we'll see. Let me tie it up and we'll see right now. Alright, so that's what it looks like now. I just hope the zip ties don't hit anything inside. Let's give it a try, see what happens. I think everything else is connected, so we should be good. Let me get the keys, turn it on, some park, reverse, neutral, dry. Let's go.
Keep in mind, guys, this is not the right way to fix it. This is just to get it off the road and get the customer back home. But we're gonna order the correct part to fix it and have it correctly, you know. Let me show you guys the part that you guys need to order in order to repair it. Also stay tuned, because on the next video I'm gonna upload how to do the installation for the bushing or the grommet, and I'm gonna be doing a video step by step. This is the one I'm gonna order from. I got it from eBay, so just stay tuned for the next video. See you in the next one. If you have any questions, put it in the comments and try to be better every day.